Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have a vintage Zippo Slim Windproof lighter from 1970 with a heart engraved on the front of it. And I believe that's probably two people's initials. This lighter has plenty of flaws, wear. We'll go over all that here in a minute. I hadn't encountered one like this before, so I wanted to do a video on it. It's not in horrible condition. It just has several dings, dents, especially to the lid. Looks like somebody's really beat the crap out of it at some point, or used it to hammer something. But the hinge is not terribly loose. It does have a wobble, some side to side movement there, but it closes and holds closed nicely. Has two marks on each side. It is missing a good deal of its paint. I'd say probably close to half. More so in the heart than in the lettering. And it appears as though the paint was all red, which makes me think that maybe the lighter was sort of a Valentine's Day gift, maybe, or something like that. Definitely a commemoration of love from one person in that couple to the other. Maybe there was a full-size lighter that had the same image engraved on it. Maybe this was the lady's lighter and the full size belonged to the man. Maybe she wore more than just the pants in the family. Maybe she had the big one and this one belonged to him. I don't know. If you enjoy watching videos about old petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video you're watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button. Send that link off in a text, email, post it on social media, however it is that you communicate with folks nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. You can leave any comments or questions below the video. We would also appreciate it if you would follow and like Dependable Flame and DependableFlame.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course eBay. See some buildup or grime there in the hinge. The lighter was made in 1970. I'm not sure. I didn't look at try to match the insert or not, so you experts out there will have to tell me if this is the correct insert or not. If Mario Bear is watching, I'm sure he'll let us know. The rest of you, maybe you can beat him to it. Anyway, I think it's the original insert. pulled the wick up, snipped it off. There was quite a bit of carbon and char that I cleaned out from inside the windscreen there. And I used a wire brush to clean off the file well. There's printing on the one side and nothing on the back. The felt pad was really dirty looking on the outside compared to how clean the lighter looked on the inside. And it may not be picking up here in the video so much, but it looked to me like this other side of the pad was cleaner as well. So if it was me, I would probably turn it around, but I don't want to do that as I'm selling the lighter and let somebody think I was trying to hide it from them. I want to make sure you see every flaw on this lighter before you buy it. Anyway, very nice 1970 Zippo Slim. Missing some of its paint. It was still in very nice condition and very usable condition. Make sure that you get over to eBay and check out the dependableflame.com store. Every purchase that you make there will benefit HDSA, Huntington's Disease Society of America, with at least 10% of the proceeds of each listing going to that charity. Also, we have 3 penny start auctions each month where 100% of the proceeds of those listings go to HDSA. I provide free shipping. High bidder pays the money, which all goes to the charity. They get the lighter and everybody is happy. Talked a lot about Zippo Slims in the past. They're very handy. They don't take up a lot of room in the pocket, and in general, very reliable lighters. Seems like there's room for a Slim sometimes when a regular full-size Zippo is just too much for a shirt pocket or a watch pocket or with whatever else you have along in that pocket. While you're over there at eBay, make sure that you follow dependableflame.com so that you get the notification when we put each of those new listings up on eBay. Also, here on the YouTube channel, make sure that you hit the bell so that you are notified each time we publish a new video, which happens to be Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. Central, holidays included, but we do not typically publish videos on the weekend, on Saturday or Sunday. Typically rest Sunday and doing other things on Saturday, but there will occasionally be a video go up if there's something that I need to link to for the website or for a listing, or perhaps some message I just need to get out to a particular customer or subscriber. Until next time.